Well, hey everyone, David Cook, and I am owner of DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. So this is kind of an unusual video, but it's okay because hopefully it helps someone out on an issue that we had. So we've had a Facebook page for a couple years now, and we did really good with some Facebook ads. And all of a sudden, on middle of the week, I couldn't run ads. For whatever reason, it kept saying you no longer access, you can't do this, you can't do that. And so I had called our person that kind of helps out with Facebook here and there, Deb from Content Fresh. I'll put her link in the video. If you have questions or need some help with Facebook ads, she does really good work. So we couldn't get anything to work, so I had called and left an email for her, and then the next day she had called me back. So this is, it was so messed up. We couldn't send a, Facebook has that thing like an instant messenger. It wouldn't allow me to send an instant messenger saying we needed help. It wouldn't let me send an email for support. It wouldn't allow me to open a case. It wouldn't allow me to do anything with the Facebook page at all. We kind of backdoored it a little bit, and it was, I don't know, she was able to figure something out. So she actually had to initiate the email to Facebook to start the conversation to allow me to have my admin back to my Facebook page. So it got really goofy, series of emails. In the course of 81 emails, they never got my name right. There was never any kind of Zoom call. There was never any kind of phone call. There was never any kind of chat, no texting. Everything had to be through email. So it was very, very frustrating. So we lost access in March. And we just actually got an email Friday saying, sorry for the delay. Thank you for your patience. Looking through all the information you gave, yes, we can tell that someone had compromised your account, so we are restoring access to your account. So the one way that we knew we lost it, and I had to do this little video, so sorry, I'm trying to look through the phone and do it at the same time. So this is a video we did. They wanted to do like a quick time thing. This is the only communication we had. So you can see that real quick.
Open the account for what was DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper page.
So you'd open the Ads Manager. As soon as we open the Ads Manager,
I used to have access to, and these are the error messages I get. I hit close.
So those were the error messages that kept popping up that I knew something was wrong because it kept saying update your credit card. And I knew I had to update my credit card because it expired. So had my credit card not expired, I probably would have had a ton of ads. I don't know if that worked or not. So I had a phone call come through. So it kept saying, with the red, you can't charge your account, you can't access the account, you can't do anything. And it kept saying error on the ads. So I kept clicking the triangle. It said the error, and every time I clicked the triangle with the error, it'd bring me back to this saying update your credit card information. I'd go to update my credit card information. It said, sorry, you no longer access to update your credit card information. So it's kept going round and round and round and round. So this is the error message that finally Facebook accepted as it was an issue. I don't know why this one. Like I said, they never got my name right, ever. I don't think I have one email from them. Even though I have a whole email signature, I never got an email back from them with my right name. I had to give them, it was amazing the amount of information I had to give them. And they still kept saying, well, we can't prove it's yours. We cannot prove it's yours. So it's very frustrating. Like almost 5 months it took, but they did restore it. I haven't done anything to it yet. We started a new page, so now I have to figure out, I want to go back to the old one because we had a ton of followers on there, so I want to use it. So now I have to get the people that looked our new page. It's only about 100, so it's not a ton, but I just want to get back into using the old one because it was very effective with ads, and we had a lot of content, and we connected with a lot of people, and we always were connecting, had a lot of traction. So 5 months of radio silence. It'll be interesting to see how we can get that traction back. I'm hoping we do, but that was our dilemma. We didn't actually fix it. Like I said, Deb from Content Fresh was the one that sent the email to them on our behalf, and then we just had to go back and forth with emails, and ended up with 81 emails back and forth in order to get something right. They'd send a question, I'd respond, and it would be a week, and they'd be 4 days, and it might be a week, and it might be 2 days. So there's no rhyme or reason to how soon they answered. So be patient, keep sending them emails. Every time they send something, send another one. I was sending emails in between that. Have you heard anything? Can updates? So squeaky wheel gets the grease. I don't know if it worked or not, but I got my page back. It just took a lot longer than I thought. So that's what we did when we lost our Facebook admin access due to a compromise. Hopefully it helps you guys. It helped me. It was very frustrating because there wasn't a lot of information out there. Everything that they said to do did not work. And then we have the older Facebook Classic, and now when they kind of suggested starting a new page, and so I had that new experience. So that was completely different because neither of them really worked the same, looked the same. The back end kind of looks the same, but some of the functions and where everything's at on the page is completely different. So I know it was kind of frustrating. Anyway, that's our story. Hopefully it helps you a little bit. Just send them emails, send them emails, send them emails, send them emails. Just keep sending them, keep sending them, keep sending them. Expect them to get your name wrong. Expect them to get your account wrong. Expect them to not read the content of your emails also. That's our experience. Hope it helps. Hope you have a great day. God bless. If you have questions on painting and decorating, love to help you.